What's your favorite place to go shopping? This is Alfie's, a wonderful shop near the centre of London. But you can't buy a new computer, a mobile phone, or an MP3 player at Alfie's. They don't sell them here. So, what do they sell at Alfie's? Alfie's is an antiques market. They sell a lot of old, unusual and beautiful things here. This stall has fantastic clothes and bags. These bags are over 100 years old. Sarah likes these colourful old clothes. Natalia and Anna are from Russia. Alfie's is their favourite shop in London. Their favourite things are the beautiful old designer clothes. They like trying on the hats. The red one is Natalia's favourite. Masako from Japan loves these ceramics. There are plates, cups, and teapots. Do you like them? Some people love the furniture at Alfie's. There's some very unusual furniture here. Do you like this chair? Or this one? Some people think this chair is awful. It's very expensive and it isn't comfortable. These phones are old, but they aren't cheap. They're £250 each. Do you have a favourite? This white one? Or that black one? Or how about a red one? Do you like this light? These lights are all by Italian designers. They're beautiful colours, but they are very big. Alfie's is full of beautiful things. It's a great place to shop.